Hey, good afternoon, guys. My name is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group. Just wanted to do a quick startup of our 2018 Ford Mustang GT. This one's automatic with 84,000 miles, base package. This one does have an aftermarket exhaust system, MBRP brand, and it does sound really good. It also has a remote start, so we'll get to crank it on and kind of get the full effect of the exhaust back here. Man, I love the animation of this. Oh, God, that is nice. All right, guys, 84,000 miles. It's a gorgeous vehicle. Love the wing. It definitely has a presence. It is not a subtle wing, which is great in my opinion. Love the Coyote badge. Semi-decent trunk space. Keyless entry is an option on this car. You get power windows, cloth seats, simple interior. It is a push to start, so since the car is running, we just hit that button real quick. 84,072 miles on the car. I hope you guys can excuse the glare. The only thing that's on is the gas light and the door, which we closed that. And let's go and rev it up a couple of times, because why not? That's how it sounds inside the cabin. All right, guys, that is pretty much it. Absolute fun and a joy to be around cars like this. If you guys have any particular questions about this, do not hesitate to reach out, and I genuinely hope to meet you guys in person. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, guys.